Okay, go. Today's date is February 12th.
Yeah, they don't believe me.
Try putting your foot on the gas all the way down.
Really?
Yeah.
But this is not like a old. It's fuel injector. This is effing annoying. I took it to the dealership and they don't believe me, so they said take a video. And I have kids that drive. Well, I'm gonna call them after this.
Yeah, and you're not touching the gas at all.
No.
You're just turning the key. Yeah, this car was just running.
How many minutes ago? 15
we were gone like 10 minutes.
Yeah. 10 minutes. Almost. This is the most it's ever done it. There we go.
There we go.
I got it?
Okay.
Cool. Can you email it to me?